When putting a resume together, it can be tough figuring out what you should and shouldn't do. That's why we've collected some common resume mistakes, along with ways to avoid them. This video focuses on resume mistakes in the US, so remember that best resume practices can vary depending on the country. First off, don't lie on your resume, because including false or misleading information is unethical and possibly illegal. Be honest up front, because hiring managers will likely conduct a background check to confirm your credentials. Next, don't include references, as employers usually don't need them yet, and they waste valuable space. But when an employer does ask for references, be sure you've listed them in a separate document that can be submitted on demand. To keep your resume professional and easy to read, don't use more than 2 fonts. When choosing your fonts, use ones that are familiar and clear, like Times New Roman or Tahoma. Unless you're a graphic designer, don't use graphics of any kind, as an image on a resume is generally considered unprofessional. Along with unusual formatting styles, graphics can also make your resume harder to read. In addition to graphics, it's best not to include a photo of yourself unless it's required for the position. That way, your employer will consider you by your experience and skills, not your appearance. Don't include any personal information such as your birth date, height and weight, health, marital status, or religion. This sort of info is usually considered unnecessary, and in more extreme cases could even lead to discrimination. Finally, don't misspell anything. Misspelled words make you appear careless and unreliable. Always use a spell checker, and have at least 2 other people proofread your resume for errors. Now that you know how to avoid these common mistakes, you'll be better prepared for the job search.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.